Well guys, just got back to the farm and we had a tree, half of it blew down. So got a tree service guy here working on it for us. I got the truck, got some saws in the back. Let me parking down here though, because we want to let him get out of the way before we start ripping into it. So I'm gonna make some firewood. I'm gonna put a Snapchat out to some buddies because there's gonna be a lot more than I want. So I'm gonna see if they want any and we'll see what the day brings. Got the skid loader out here. Got the grapple bucket on. The light bar I put on that I still haven't hooked up. Tried to pull apart some stuff to do the wiring, but it looked like it was gonna be a total pain, so I kind of backed out. But yeah, I haven't seen us. We've had this one for a while. I'm just never around when we use it, so it'll be interesting to see what it's looking like. And I'll go check out what's going on over here. Got a lot of work to do here, so we'll get ripping on it. As you guys can see, there's a lot of brush down here on the ground. Now we're just working to remove some brush. take that over the pile or what? He's drifting. Already had taken a load of wood over to the barn. Now I just got a little half load here. And then Pops is just getting some of this lined up for us, and he's gonna come in here and try to get a big scoop with the brush bucket on. He was telling me on the way we were over at the shop putting the chainsaw away, he's telling me how much he loves this thing, so hopefully it holds up. We haven't had it for, I don't know how long, but I don't think it's been too long, but yeah, he seems to really like it so far, so. See if he can get a nice big scoop with it. Look how it just, holy crap. He's just dragging half of it. Now he's gonna try to get another scoop of it. Pick it up to, we got a pile way back there with all the brush from this tree, so we tried to keep all the big stuff that's worth it, and then, oh yeah, he's pushing it up against the stump to help him get some leverage on it. That's all that's left. But then again, some of this is probably gonna fall out because that was a real big scoop, so. Just trying to crunch down as much as he can so it gets in there good and doesn't fall out as he's going. Oh, big log down. That over there for now, and then I'm gonna follow him back there and show you guys the pile. Managed to beat him out here, which isn't too hard, but man, I'm falling through the snow here. Now he's just pushing the pile up, trying to get it kind of centered more. Curious to see how well these fall out of the bucket. Not too bad, actually. Holy crap. Boogity.